The second decorative stitch that I'm going to show you is the Lazy Daisy stitch. This is what we're going to use for our little seeds in our watermelon. And I'm again using a 12 weight thread. And the Lazy Daisy stitch makes a fun little teardrop shape. And I'm just going to start in the middle. So I'm going to pull my thread up and I'm going to bring it back down in the place that I pulled it up. And I'm going to let the needle kind of come up to be the point. So as I pull, you can see that it's made a little teardrop. So I don't want to pull too hard. I want to pull just enough that I have the perfect little teardrop shape. And then I'm going to bring this down, crossing over that first little piece of thread to hold it in place. So that gives you your little teardrop. So let's do that again. I'm just gonna kind of jump and skip because I have a couple of layers of fabric and I don't have to worry about people seeing my thread jumping around in the back. I'm gonna just jump over here. I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm gonna pull it up, put my needle back down right where I pulled up and let it come up about 1/8 of an inch where I want the curve of my little teardrop to be. And as I pull through, I want to pull just enough to make the teardrop shape, not too tight, and then go back down. And I'm just going to do that randomly all over my watermelon to make all of my little seeds. You can make them a little smaller if you want to have your inside filled in. You could also do a really small little stitch to fill it in. You could use beads as your seeds. You could choose not to have seeds at all and have a seedless watermelon, but that is how you make the Lazy Daisy stitch.